Hello everybody, it's NateSaGreat. In today's video, we'll be playing Hunter Call the Wild with a 22 and a Fox gun. We will be hunting birds today, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's do it. And Fox. Let's shoot a Fox then. Apparently. Oh yeah, Black Rose. How'd you snipe this thing? Pretty close. Anyways, let's go. We already got a Fox. Gold female. -7. It's a nice looking Fox. It's a good shot too. On the run. Nice. Before I claim him, I'm gonna look to see if there's more stuff on the other side of the hill. There's a raccoon over there, but yeah, there's really nothing to do, but there is a bunch of goose, which we will start sniping. Maybe I'll just wait for breath a little bit. Snipe. Now this is hunting. This ain't like proper hunting, but it's fun hunting. I do like this type of hunting. Are they going down? No, they're fleeing. Okay, whatever. Whatever. But no, it's good hunting. It's kind of fun to just start sniping. Ooh, a gold. Just off a diamond. I have a diamond one of these. That's a bad shot. A grand for these things is crazy. I almost got 40 grand. That's my hope for today's video. Okay, the goose. Where's the goose? Is that geese? Oh, dude, I missed that. Silver, 2 shots. And 2 shots. We're also gonna look for those other blood. Oh, dude. Not this guy's blood. Actually, maybe he actually landed. Wait, is there actually a goose there? Well, I would have not known that. If it actually wasn't for this dog. Nice boy. Just a flash boy. That's 600 bucks. I'll go over there too.